everyone and welcome back to Pabbly. So are you an owner of a business who wants to send a product brochure to all your leads instantly and you're tired of doing everything manually? Then this video is definitely for you. Because in this video, I am going to show you that whenever a new lead is going to be generated in your business through Facebook lead ads, automatically towards the lead, you can send a WhatsApp message with the attachment of a product brochure. And you do not need to pick up your finger to do this work. Simply build the connection between these two applications using the amazing software that is Pabbly Connect, and you do not need any requirement of coding and programming skills. So what are you wasting your time for? Let's move on to my screen to learn this amazing automation.
Welcome to my screen. So first of all, let me show you how this amazing automation is going to work in real time. What I will do is I will generate a test lead using Facebook lead ads and check whether automatically I receive a new WhatsApp message with the product catalog or not. Okay, so now for generating the test lead, what I'll do is on a new tab I'll search for Meta for Developers, and then I'll open the Meta for Developers site, go to resources, go to developer tools. Okay, inside developer tools, go to lead ads RTO debug tool, and using this tool we can generate the test lead. Okay, for generating a test lead, firstly what you need to do is you have to select the page. For the page, I will select it as my Facebook page, that is Natural Glow Skincare. Then I will select the form, then I'm going to click on this preview form button right here. So this is the form using which the leads are going to be generated. Firstly, for the skin type, I will select combination. For the first name, I will select new. For the last name, I will select lead 3. Okay, for the email, I'll select it as new3@pabblytudes.com. Okay, and then over here it is asking for the phone number, for which I'm going to enter a dummy mobile number right here. After filling all the details, click on this continue button and on this submit button right over here. As soon as I've done that, it says thank you for submitting the form. As now this test lead is generated, I will open my WhatsApp, and you can see on my WhatsApp a test lead has been generated. Hi new lead 3, thank you for your interest in our collection. We have shared our latest product catalog with you, and this is the product catalog that is attached with the message that I have received, and this was the name of my test lead that we have generated. So in this manner, this is how this amazing automation is going to work in real time of sharing product brochures or catalogs to your leads instantly, that is generated through Facebook lead ads. Okay, so now we are going to build this connection without need of any coding and programming skills using Pabbly Connect. So on a new tab, browse the website of Pabbly Connect, that is www.pabbly.com/connect. After we browse the website, before we dive into the creation of this automation, I want to let you know about Pabbly Community. Pabbly Community is a space where you can find real-time updates on Pabbly. In this space, you can get help not just from our team members but also the fellow users. Over here, you can share your ideas, ask questions, and give feedbacks according to whatever you think. Okay, so go ahead and join our Pabbly community today itself. For that, you will find the link of our community in the description section below. Okay, now over here on Pabbly Connect's landing page, you will find two options in front of you. If you're a new user, you can directly sign up for free and get 100 free tasks every month to explore more features of Pabbly Connect. But if you're an existing user like I am, directly sign into your Pabbly Connect account, where you will see the All Pabbly Apps section, on which you will see all the applications. As I want to use Pabbly Connect, I will click on this Access Now button, and you will land towards Pabbly Connect's dashboard. Now to create a new automation inside Pabbly Connect, for that we have to create a workflow. For that, click on this Create Workflow button on the top right corner, where you will find two methods to build the workflow. Now, if you want your workflow to be more modern, faster, or flexible, select the new beta method version from here. But if you want your workflow to have more stable and familiar approach, select the classic version. I will select the new beta method version right here, and firstly I have to give the name to my workflow. So for the name of my workflow over here, I'm going to give it as Send Product Brochure on WhatsApp to New Facebook Leads. Okay, for the folder, these are the folders from which I'm going to select the workflows folder, and then click on this create button. A workflow is then going to be created. Now inside Pabbly Connect workflow, there are two major steps, that is trigger and action. So firstly, we need to set up our trigger step, in which for my trigger application, I will select over here as Facebook lead ads. I want that as soon as a new lead lead is generated through Facebook lead ads, automatically this trigger should capture the response of that. Event is going to be new lead instant. Then click on this connect button. If you want, you can select the existing connection from before from the drop down. I'm going to create a new one. For that, click on this connect with Facebook lead ads button. Then it is asking for me to continuing with this Facebook account of mine. Yes, this is my account, so I'm going to click on this continue button right here, and the connection will be simply created. This connection was super easy because already on a new tab I've logged into my Facebook page. That is why it is very easy to connect Facebook lead ads with Pabbly Connect. For the page, I have created a page in the name of Natural Glow Skincare. So for the page, I will select this page that I have created using which I'm promoting my Facebook lead ads. And I've created a lead ads form in the name of Natural Glow Lead Ad Forms. So I'm going to select that form from here. I want the simple response, so I'll toggle this button and click on this save and send test request button. Then it is going to say waiting for webhook response. So now to check whether Facebook lead ads is connected to Pabbly Connect or not, what I will do is I will generate a test lead. For that, we are going to again open the Meta's lead ads testing tool. Now, as I have already generated a test lead using this form, it says you can create one lead per form. You'll need to delete an existing lead in order to create a new one. As we can only create one lead per form, I'll delete the existing lead from here. It says a lead has been deleted. Now I will refresh the page. Now let us again select the page that was selected before, that is Natural Glow Skincare, and this is the form. I will click on this preview form button again. Now let us generate the test lead. For the skin type, I will select, let's suppose, as dry. Okay, first name I'll write it as best. For the last name, I'll write it as lead. Okay, for the email, I'll write it as best@pabblytudes.com. And for the phone number, I'm going to enter a dummy mobile number right here. Okay, after filling in all the details, I'll click on this continue button and on this submit button. And as I've done that, it says thank you for submitting the form. As now this test lead is generated, I'm going to go back to my workflow. It will take few seconds for the response to be captured of the test lead. So I'll wait over here for a few seconds, and in front of you can see the response has been captured. Skin type is dry, first name best, last name lead, email best@pabblytudes.com with the mobile number and the created date and time you can see right here. Okay, so as now this response has been captured over here in my trigger, this means that Facebook lead ads has been connected to Pabbly Connect and our trigger setup is now been done. Now let us send a WhatsApp message towards this lead, and for sending the WhatsApp message, what I will be doing is I will be using WhatsApp Cloud API. So now with the help of WhatsApp Cloud API, I have created this template message using which I will be sending WhatsApp messages to all my leads. Now over here, if I'm going to open my edit page of this template, I have created a header of an image in which I've attached the product catalog. You can see right over here a JPG file. Okay, now with that, I've added this body right over here, and in the body I've added a variable. You can see there is a number 1 given in front, and in the end of it I've added 2 opening and closing curly brackets. That creates first variable right here. That is for the name of the lead to create more personalized effect in the message. Okay, so now using this template, let us send a WhatsApp message. So I will be adding an action application, in which my action application I'll select over here as WhatsApp Cloud API. Event is going to be send template message. Click on this connect button. You can select the existing connection from before, but I'm going to add a new one. Now we have to enter the token, phone number, ID and the WhatsApp business account ID. So now you might wonder from where you will find all the details. For that, simply you need to create your own WhatsApp Cloud API setup where you will find the token, phone number ID and the WhatsApp business account ID. To generate your own token for your business, go to this hyperlink in the help desk of Pabbly Connect, where you will land towards Pabbly forum page on which there are 2 tutorials attached. To create your own API setup, this is the first tutorial where you will see the complete guideline of step by step to create your own WhatsApp Cloud API setup. Next is to generate a permanent token. If you want a permanent token for your business, this is another video for you. Okay, so now I'm going to generate the token from here, copy the details and paste inside Pabbly Connect right here. I've entered all the details. I'm going to click on this save button. Okay, as soon as I've done that, the connection has now been created. Firstly, we need to enter the phone number to whom we want to send a WhatsApp message to. I want to send this WhatsApp message to my lead's phone number. I have received my lead's phone number in this previous response. Click on the field, previous step is going to appear, click on it, and this is the phone number to whom I want to send a WhatsApp message. So I'll select the data of my lead's phone number from my previous response, which makes this data right over here that I've added being mapped. And as I've mapped this data, the data has now become dynamic. That means now whenever a new response is going to be captured in our previous step, automatically the new data is going to be added or updated in place of this mapped data. Okay, for the template, I have created a template in the name of product message. So what I'll do is I'll search for this template right over here, and select it. Okay, I'll refresh the page after selecting the template. You need to do that as well. Now after that, it is asking with the language code. This template has been created in the language English. So for the language code, I will enter EN. Okay, template name is product message. Header, yes it does, it has an image header, so I'll select over here as yes. For the header type, it is image, so I'll select over here header type as image. As the header type is image, we have to enter the media link right over here. Now from where you will find the media link, I have uploaded my media link on my WordPress site. Okay, so this is my product catalog that I want to attach with the message. So I'll copy this URL from here and paste over here in this media link field. Okay, so now this is the product catalog that is going to be forwarded towards this lead with the WhatsApp message. Okay, so now you might be wondering why I didn't add the Google Drive or the Dropbox link right over here. It's because those links don't work. Okay, so now after adding the media link, it is asking for all these details which are not required, so I'm going to skip the part. Do my template has a body? Yes it does. And to add the variable value, this is how you will find the fields in Pabbly Connect. Okay, over here the variable was variable1 for name, so let us map the rate of the name right over here, first name space the last name. Okay, after that it is asking template has button. No it doesn't, no button type also. So simply after adding all these details, you have to click on this save and send test request button. But that is not what I will be doing, because I have added a dummy mobile number in the receiver's place. A WhatsApp message cannot be forwarded towards this dummy number. So what I will do is, in place of this dummy mobile number, I will add my mobile number and check whether automatically I have received a WhatsApp message or not. And as I'm going to type the number manually, this is not what you should do. You have to map the data of your lead's phone number right over here. So I'm going to enter my mobile number right here, and then simply I'm going to click on this save and send test request button, and you can see right over here I've received a response. Now this is a positive response. So if I'm going to open my WhatsApp, you can see I've received a new WhatsApp message. Hello best lead, thank you for your interest in our collection. You can see this is the same WhatsApp template message with the same image right here that has been received to us on WhatsApp. As now we have received this message, this means the connection between Facebook lead ads and WhatsApp is now been successfully created. So now to sum up what we have done, as soon as through your Facebook lead ads campaign a lead is going to be generated, this trigger is going to capture the response, and towards the lead using WhatsApp Cloud API, a product brochure with a WhatsApp message is instantly going to be forwarded. Okay, so this is a very important part of lead nurturing. So if you want to automate your lead nurturing process in your business, just use this amazing automation today itself. If you want to use this link, if you want to use the workflow link as a reference for your business, you will find the shareable link in the description section below. And if you have any questions or doubts related to this workflow that I have created, you can ask us all the questions in the comment section and we will reply to you as soon as possible. So this was it for this video. Thank you so much for watching.
Not only this automation, you can create multiple other automations using Pabbly Connect. If you have any questions or need support, you can email us on support@pabbly.com. If you have any queries, you can ask us queries on forum.pabbly.com. And if you have any pricing related issue, you can check out this link. Please do like, subscribe and comment down below if you have any other ideas for us to create a video on. Thank you so much for watching.